Hello, welcome back to meal preparation, breakfast with Billiam. In this video, I will be eating my breakfast and cleaning, the worst part about breakfast. For vegetables. So now I am ready to eat and I need to set the table. So I will put my food on the table with my fork, and I have my two drinks, my coffee and my smoothie. So in English, we don't have a good word to say to someone before they eat. Like in Spanish, they say provecho, and in French, they say bon appetit. But in English, we usually just say enjoy. And one English idiom that I like is let's dig in. So I'm going to dig in to this meal, which means I'm going to start eating.
So now I am eating my meal. Some words associated with this process are to take a bite, to chew, and to swallow. First, I take a bite of food. Next, you can see my mouth moving. This is called chewing. I am chewing my food. When I am finished chewing, I swallow the food.
So, while we are eating, we can comment about the food. And if it is good, we can say, this tastes good. If it's bad, we can say, this tastes bad. So far, this meal tastes good. Okay, that was delicious, and I'm feeling very full. Now, before I start my day, it's time to clean. I have to clean so many dirty dishes.
For cleaning dishes, I use a 4-step process. First, I rinse the food off of the dish. Next, I put soap on the sponge and I scrub the dish with soap. Next, I rinse the soap off of the dish. Lastly, I dry the dish. So again, I rinse off the food, I scrub the dish with soap, I rinse off the soap, and then I dry the dish.
Now all of the dishes are drying. Okay, I have washed everything. I have put everything away. Now it's time to wipe the counters. So I put a little bit of soap on my washcloth or my towel, and I put a little bit of water on my washcloth or towel. And now I wipe the counters. And I will also wipe the stove. Okay, lastly, I will sweep the floor because I spilled a lot of food. Okay, I finished preparing the food, I finished cooking, I finished eating, and now I finished cleaning. Please come back to the channel for more English teaching videos in the future. I appreciate your support and I would like to keep making videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day.